Hi everyone, it's Sandy here and welcome to my channel. So I've got here some a little craft haul I'd like to share with you. I went down to my local craft store and went and purchased a few things to work on some projects. So I live in a semi-rural town outside of Sydney, and I live about 40 minutes drive from my closest craft supply store. So when I do get the chance and drive into Sydney, I like to grab a few things. So these are the things that I managed to grab hold of. Very pleased with my purchase. And also at the end of my haul, I'm also going to do a RAK giveaway for one of my subscribers as well. So stay tuned to at the very end, and you can get all the details for my giveaway. But first I just want to show you what I purchased here. So they had this new collection, well, I'm not sure if it's a new collection, but it's by Kaisercraft. The collection is called Miss Betty, and this is the 6.5 by 6.5 paper pad that I managed to grab hold of. It's got some adorable prints in here, sort of a shabby themed look, which I think will be great to work with on some of my projects. Love all the papers in here. I think it's also a sewing theme look, but I can't seem to find a lot of this one of sewing theme in here, but that doesn't matter. So I've got that. I also got their coordinating die cut shapes here. So there's a whole heap in there to also be able to play around with. I mean, there are so many. Look at that. There's heaps in here. I don't even know what's in here. Oh, look at that. That's just lovely to work with. That's just some nice little flower ephemeras, some word sentiments. Just adorable. Can't wait to work with these. So there's a few more in here. Just so many to choose from. There's that one. Just trying to keep them all on one hand here. There's some scissors. So yeah, there was quite a few in here. So I got that. I also managed to get the last pack of their 12 by 12 paper pack that came with the Miss Betty collection, which is this one here. I won't take it out of the packaging, but these are the prints that you get in there. So you get 2 sheets of each design. So there's 12 sheets in here, and you also get a bonus 12 by 12 sticker sheet as well to put in your project. So just adorable paper. I love it. So I got that. Then I also managed to get their loose papers by the same collection, which is this one here. And I'm going to fussy cut these out and use them in my embellishments. So I've got 3 of those sheets. I don't know about you guys, but sometimes I can't actually work with the papers. They're just too nice to actually cut up. So I tend to get 2 or 3 pieces of the loose papers. Keep one for myself, and then I'll work with the other 2. I just sometimes I just like looking at the design that they print. So yes, so I got that, and then I came across a new company that they're stocking in their store, and it's by Fab Scraps. So these are the paper prints that were in stock. I just think it's so pretty. It's like a peachy coloured flower print, double-sided as well. Just so pretty. I don't even know if I'm going to use these on any projects. I think I'll just keep them to look at, or I might even head back and grab a couple more of these. So I got that, and then these were in their clearance section, which was 50 cents each. I might just use these as tags. These are by Kaisercraft as well, and must be an old collection of theirs. So yes, so I got that. So I was quite pleased with my purchases today from my craft supply store. I then went over to my discount store, or it's like a variety store here in Sydney, and I purchased these embellishment blings. So these will be good to add to my projects. These are like little roses. It's in gold. And I also got some in silver and just some of these as well. I also got these cupcake liners. It's a shabby theme look cupcake liners. I'm actually going to alter these and make these into like rosettes as for my embellishments. So these are my purchases that I went and bought. So now I also got a little RAK giveaway that I would like to give to one of my subscribers. So this is, I don't know if you remember on my previous video, I did a I showed you this cute little postage stamp style die embellishment that I had made, and I had a lot of lovely comments from all of my subscribers and positive comments on this particular project that I had made. So what I went ahead and done was I made a little kit pack here. So in here I think there's about 20 pieces of the postage stamp die in the pack, and I want to give one of these packs away to one of my subscribers for to say thank you for the lovely comments that you have all put in there for this cute little project that I had done. So you get 20 of these little postage stamp dies, and you also will get 3 of the wine glass ring charms in gold and silver, so you get 6 of those. You also get the dress form die that I have die cut, because I did get a few of you mention how cute the dress form was, which is that one there. So I've added 4 of those in there, and also 2 extra larger size postage stamp die for you to use in your other projects. So that's what you get in the kit, and I've also punched a hole in each of the dies for you as well. So all you have to do is just have the fun part of embellishing each of these pieces, and then just attaching them to the wine ring. So that is what you get in the giveaway. So you actually get 2 chances to win this prize, because I'm also going to add another one in my Instagram account as well. So you get a chance, if you are a follower of mine on Instagram as well, you get a second chance to win the one of these kits. So to enter the giveaway, for my RAK giveaway for this for the giveaway, sorry, I'm just lost for words just then. You have to the giveaway is open internationally. You also have to be a subscriber of mine, and you must like the video, and to enter you will have to leave a comment in the bottom below and tell me what part of the world you're from, and where or what city you are from. I like to just get an idea of where all of my subscribers are from, and where or what country you are coming from. So if you can just do that for me, you can then enter the to win this cute little kit that I've got put together for you. And then I will also do another giveaway on my Instagram account as well, if you want to have a second chance on winning one of these packs as well. So my Instagram account is the same as my YouTube, which is Septeria18. So I will draw out the winner in a couple of days, or Sunday evening. I will draw out the winner for these wonderful kits. So good luck everybody, and I hope you enjoyed this video and my haul. So thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.